Hi everyone, I'm Khue and I'm the enrollment peer leader, working at the office of the Registrar to ease the stress of your course enrollment process. Now come along, let me show you my lab. Just completed my first year at UTM, pursuing a specialist in biochem with a double minor in math and biology. Personally, I came to UTM with the full intention of pursuing a life sciences program. However, I slowly realized that I really enjoyed both math and chemistry as well. This ultimately finalized my decision to pursue a degree in something that has a mixture of the three components, which is biochemistry. So it's definitely possible to change your mind as you progress through your degree. As an incoming second year student, the one thing that I really enjoyed about UTM is the wide selection of clubs and society available on campus. From the Aerial Biology Society, for those who are interested in STEM, to mock trial clubs for those who want to familiarize themselves with legal proceedings. My biggest concern when I entered university was how to maintain a healthy work-life balance. The longer I've been here though, the more I realize that a lot of the professors here are incredibly supportive and want to facilitate the best environments for your academic growth. When you are struggling with something, I recommend emailing your professor or going to them directly in office hours. Even if the question is not relevant to your course, they are usually happy to give you insights on their research and development within their field of interest. If you find office hours too intimidating, many courses instructor also runs facilitated study group at the RGASC and supports students with the help of peer leaders.
In addition to this, I think living on campus and being involved in the community really helped me come out of my shell. The residence has allowed me to make a lot of friends and continue to foster those connections.
We're currently walking on the nature trail at UTM, my favorite place to wander around on campus. One of the reasons why I chose to study at UTM is because of how environmentally conscious this campus is. Growing up in a massive concrete jungle, I really love and appreciate the nature and green around here.